Hello guys, how to fix Windows 11 and Windows 10 slow boot process issues. And one of the major reasons behind the Windows 11 and 10 slow boot is the third party startup applications which are known to lengthen the PC's boot time. So the first workaround is to fix these issues is disable startup apps. Open Task Manager and go to the startup app section and check which startup apps is in enable mode. Right click on it and choose disable. All startup apps should be disabled. It will increase your boot processes. And the second workaround is go to Windows search, open run command box and type ms configuration. System configuration windows will open. Here go to services tab and hide all Microsoft services, make the check against this option and disable all. The next workaround is open control panel. Here go to choose large icons option and go to power option. Here go to choose what the power button does. Click on change settings that are not available and here make the check against option turn on fast startup. This should be enabled or click on save changes. The next workaround is open Windows settings. Under system settings, go to the section storage, click on it and scroll down. Under storage management, turn on storage sense, enable storage sense. That's all.